So now we can upload the picture and identify the bird. So it shows that 98% is sure that it's a peregrine falcon, which is correct. So we can just click on that and click upload. So that now there will be a section of peregrine falcon with different pictures. And now that we can also upload a picture that's like not in the list. Okay, so now we can select this one. And that it shows that it's 54% sure that's a red-tailed hawk, which is really close. But since the species is not on the list yet, it doesn't identify it, so we can just put down red-shouldered. Wait, did I saw this right? Okay. So now that was the red-shouldered hawk uploaded, you can scroll down and wait, click. And then there's gonna be a section with this bird.